and I am using Jovi air dry clay. Kneading the clay is important because this makes it smooth, easy to shape and prevents any cracks. Using a rolling pin to flat the clay and cutting the clay with cookie cutter. Smooth the clay edges with water. Then I am shaping the clay into look like a rock and placing the tray edges. I am digging the clay in the center because I want to attach the magnets. Now I am placing 2 magnets because I have very small magnets. I am rolling the clay flat and cover the entire tray. Pressing all the areas and cutting the extra clay and smooth it out. Now I am making capybara. I am attaching the magnets under capybara also. Dried. I already finished the sanding process in outdoor. I can't able to show that, I am sorry. So okay, let's paint. I am using gloves to protect from hands from resin. Glazing the tray with UV resin under the UV lamp. If some paint or dust gets on your clay piece by mistake, don't panic. I will give you a small tip. Just use a little nail polish remover and wipe it gently. It will come off completely and your piece will look clean and clear again. Now I am mixing the soft pastels into the resin for water effects. If bubbles appear in resin, just mix slow or let it rest. They will go away. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe and share. If you liked this trinket tray, drop your rating in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye.